Good evening, everyone. Myself Hannah. I'm from Advice International. Today I am here to share some ideas on career options in the UK after studying law. As you all know, UK is the birthplace of law. The legal system in India and the UK goes hand in hand. Most of the UK universities courses are recognized by the Bar Council of India. That means after studying in the UK, if you want to practice in India, it is possible. And now let's share some ideas on what career options you can choose after studying law. So there are three types of law courses you can do in the UK. Basically, after 12th standard, you can do a Bachelor of Law. After graduation, you can either select a graduate diploma in law or a Master of Law. A graduate diploma in law is meant for students from other backgrounds. That is, they don't have a bachelor's degree in law, but they have a bachelor's in some other qualifications, but they want to pursue law as a career. So such students can opt for a bachelor's graduate diploma, which in turn can help them to do a Master of Law. A Master of Law is generally meant for students who have got a bachelor's qualification in law. So generally bachelor's programs are of 1 year duration, graduate diploma as well as masters are of, bachelor's qualifications are of 3 year duration, and graduate diploma in law and masters are of 1 year duration each. Stepping into the career aspects, first of all, you can practice law in the UK as a solicitor or a barrister. The difference between a solicitor and a barrister is a barrister appears for a client in the courts of law, wherein a solicitor provides legal advice. He can be associated with a legal firm. And then you can be a chartered legal executive. There are various specialized law. A chartered legal executive specializes only in one aspect of the law. That is, like, suppose if you are looking forward, if a chartered legal executive, if you are a chartered legal executive, you might be specializing in marine law or international labor law, any one specialization. And then you can be a conveyancer. So who is a conveyancer? A conveyancer generally specializes in legal aspects of buying and selling properties. Generally they do work with real estate companies. Then you can be a judicial. A judicial assistant's role is to support members of the court by doing legal research. So they are the people who does legal research. Then you can manage law firms. There are a lot of administrative jobs available as in any other firms like law firms, because most of them are like big companies. So you can manage law firms. Then you can be a legal cashier. Legal cashier is the one who looks after the firm's finances, law firms, especially the law firm's finances. Then you can be a legal secretary. A legal secretary provides admin support to solicitors, barristers, courts of law, etc. Then you can be probate practitioner. A probate practitioner is the one who specializes in legal aspects of inheritance, wills, etc. Then another career option you have is as an HR and industrial relations executive. An HR executive or HR manager, as you all know, he's the middle person between the employer and the employee. So as a lawyer, he enhances that the company's legal aspects are protected. Then you can be a contract consultant. There are many small projects or big projects, such as in IT companies. So you can be a contract consultant for the specific project, right? And then you can be a professor or lecturer in law schools as well as certain business courses also, wherein law is made as a subject. Then if you want to be self-employed and if you want to work from home, the very best thing what you can do is you can be a blogger, right? So that is quite popular these days. You can make by being a blogger because you have good theoretical knowledge about the subject. And then you can be a content creator. for large companies. That is also a very challenging career. And then after studying law, as I have explained, there are many career options which and then we at Advice, we exclusively conduct an education fair, a virtual fair tomorrow between 2:30 to 5:30, specifically from universities which are providing with law courses. So if you want to get more knowledge, if you want to apply for more universities, if you want to get the good detailed knowledge about the subject, you can definitely register in our website www.adviceinternational.com, and then you can interact directly with the delegate through Zoom platform at the convenience of your home. So all of you, please utilize this opportunity. We will be happy to help you out in pursuing your overseas education dreams true. Right? Thank you so much. Stay home. Stay happy. Bye. Stop. Stop.